Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. You know what? We are so close to Thanksgiving and I've just got to show you some of the side dishes that I'm going to be making for my Thanksgiving dinner. The first one is going to be a cranberry bacon Brussels sprout side dish. I lined my baking dish or pan and I'm going to spray it. And then I am going to add my whole cranberries. Now what I did is I took the Brussels sprouts, I've got them cut up, but what I did is I just cut off the ends of each one of them. What I did is I peeled off a little bit of the outer shell on there, and then I'm just going to cut them in half. What I'm going to do is just lay them flat, but you want to lay them cut side down. Okay, now here's what gets interesting is we're going to add a little sweetness to it and a little salt to it. So I'm going to take brown sugar and I'm going to sprinkle that over the cranberries. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add our Four Brothers bacon on top. And I just cut these up in 1-inch size pieces. I am going to be putting this into the oven at 425 degrees and I'm going to bake it for about 20 minutes. So let's pop it in the oven real quick. Okay, now that I have that popped in the oven, I want to show you one of my absolute favorite salads. And this one is going to be on my dinner table for Thanksgiving. And wait until you see how easy this one is. What I did is I mixed it with arugula and baby spinach. So I did that already. Now what I'm going to do is I added grapefruit. So we're just going to add that to the salad. You know that I absolutely love avocado, so we're going to add that to it. I'm going to add blue cheese crumbles just because that is absolutely my favorite. Okay, then I'm going to add my sliced almonds to it. Remember how you used to have to buy a pomegranate and open it up and clean out every seed? You don't have to do that anymore. All you have to do is come to one of our stores, go into the produce department. We have got crazy fresh pomegranate. They're all cleaned, ready to go, and you just add it to the salad. Now what I'm going to do is the last step is I have got raspberry vinaigrette. I'm just going to add that to the salad. We're just going to mix this up and get it coated. I've got this salad all finished. I'm just going to pop it in the refrigerator for just a little bit. And in the meantime, I'm just waiting for the Brussels sprouts to finish and then we'll be ready to go. I took this out of the oven and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the pecans to the top of everything. Then we're going to pop it back in the oven for 10 more minutes. Okay, now my pecans are toasted, so now all I'm going to do is stir it. There, now to top it all off, my absolute favorite, blue cheese crumbles. Okay, now we have 2 different sides that you can serve your guests during your Thanksgiving meal. And we can't forget the Kemp's eggnog. It's a delicious drink that everyone in your entire family can enjoy throughout the holidays. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone, and we hope you have a safe holiday, and we'll see you in a few.